tapang mo noon kasi. Ang nakikita lang natin ay yung malalakas ng loob na LGU na nangongolekta na wala namang agreement at hindi nire-remit sa BFP. Yun ang naging nangyari. We don't want to occur that the same problem again. Ayaw na natin mangyari. We must have to stand up. We must have to secure our coffers. Just like in any family, di ba? Sa isang pamilya, pag hindi mo minanage ang iyong financial, ano mangyayari sa pamilya mo? Di ba? Doon ang simula ng away. Doon ang simula ng away. Doon ang cause ng paghihiwalay. Kasi yan ang kaban yan. Kaban ng bayan. Kaya nga, dapat sa atin, sinupin natin. Kung sinasabi natin ang modernization ay kaya namin mag-produce ng 5 billion, paano tayo makapag-produce kung hindi naman natin ginawa ng paraan para masino ang ating kaban? Modernization ang tinatawag natin na dinepensa natin sa Kongreso na wala mo ng source. So, clear tayo ito na wala nang MOA. Kung ikaw mag-institute ng MOA dahil meron na tayong transition plan, kasuhan kita.
At this juncture, let's hear a message for our newly installed Chief of Bureau Fire Protection. Please help me welcome, in resounding applause, Fire Director Jesus P. Fernandez.
Okay, thank you. You may take your seat. First of all, I'd like to express my gratitude to the Regional Director of Region 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Roland Fracio, for meeting my request despite 2 days lang, 2 days to have you to have our interfacing with each other. Nakapag-schedule agad siya ng ano. So, maraming salamat sa abdi. Also to the Assistant Regional Director for Administration, si Fire Senior Superintendent Cabot at Ardo, Fire Senior Superintendent Verde, at ang ating CDS, si Pable, Superintendent, Senior So. Senior So. Andito pa lang Senior So. Kompleto command group, Okay. Palakpakan natin sila sa lahat ng sumalubong sa akin sa airport. Kasama ko na kumain kanina sa Panagatan. Maraming salamat for your hospitality. Thank you. Thank you for your hospitality. At any rate, I just want to elaborate further. Siguro may 5-point agenda at saka to look into the status of the rollout of the fire safety inspection system. So it's my 3rd time to come here, di ba? During the time ni Dueñas, where we first, doon ba tayo unang nag-roll out? Tapos kay Alma, anong pinuntahan ko rito? Consultative meeting with those who have agreement with the Bureau of Fire Protection. And now, I would like to know kung ano nang nangyari doon sa mga dalawang activities natin. So, I just make a communication with the regional office to present the status. An opportunity time for you to hear from me my administration vision in 1.5 years na remaining in my career in the Bureau of Fire Protection. This is what I want to achieve. Parang ganun yung vision natin dyan, yung 5 point. ang pinaka-center ng aking administration program, of course, is the modernization. Fostering modernization onward 2034. Ito kasi yung inaasam ng bawat PNP member for a modernized fire service. Dati na, wala pa yung batas, dati na natin inaasam bawat PNP. Way back when we crafted our vision is to have a modern fire service fully capable of ensuring a fire safe nation toward hanggang 2034. Diba yun ang ating ano? So how could we have achieved this? Paano natin ma-achieve? Number one, we have a law. Merong batas na basehan natin. The 11589, Republic Act 11589, where it lays down the basis on how we could modernize the PNP. And of course, the number one requirement would be the financial component to achieve the logistical component. Diba? So, unlike any other agencies na walang source of fund, the PNP is lucky enough to have a fire office. Isa tayo sa pinakalaki na agency because even when it was not earmarked in our General Appropriations Act, the fund can be readily available in our coffers, in the special account in General Fund. Andun yun. Ang gagawin lang natin ay programa ng tama. At sinupin ang pangulekta na yan ang hindi natin nagawa noong mga nagdaang panahon. Kaya nga, nung ako'y umupo, o bago pa man ako umupo, nung mga last phase ng pagpupo ng ating former fire chief, si Sir Louie Uba, na-issue na natin yung circular. At nabasa niyo ba kung anong nilalaman noon? Yung circular on the policy of the fire safety inspection system? Baka hindi pa. Kasi ganun talaga tayo nag-ano sa ating mga polisiya. We look more on outside policies rather than our internal policies. We tend to not to implement the policies we have crafted. Ganun talaga yung naging ano natin sa PNP. Pag nag-issue tayo ng polisiya natin, hindi natin inintindi. Hindi natin inintindi ang repercussion of not implementing. Di ba? Ganun yung ano. So, I urge you to revisit, look into, it's a complete details of the process and also the penalties. Andun na yun. Nakasaad ko doon sa polisiya. We have crafted it that way so that it could be implemented. Ganon talaga yung purpose ko. So, waiting back to the fostering of PNP modernization, bakit natin implement ang FSIS? Because during the previous years, we supposedly have collected about 4.5 billion in our taxes and fees charged out of the inspection conducted by the PNP. But in our coffers, kung ano ang report ng BDR, it will just be about 3.8 billion. There is unlimited, unreconciled collection of about more than 1 billion. Yun ang diferensya. Hindi natin alam kung nasaan. Hindi natin alam kung paano ito i-recover. Ang mga nagdaang fire chief nga, ang mga solution lang na narinig during that time, I was in national office way back 2018, 2017, when I was relieved as the district fire marshal of Quezon City. Noon pa man, recurring na yung problem on unreconciled and unremitted faculties. And the only solution that I've heard from our past fire chief is to write it off. Alisin sa record at mag-start ng panibago. Which I see it as not the best option to that. So way back then, 2018, andun pa si Trans as HRD, member ka pa ng BAC, diba? We have procured the fire safety inspection system. Ganyan katagal na yan. Yung FSIS natin, yung program na yan, ngayon lang talaga na full roll out. Ganun lang talaga. At yun ay nag-crop up during your time in Batangas, di ba? Doon nag-crop up yan, system na yan. Tapos nadala sa regional office, time sa Barayuga. And then na-punish during that time ni Sir Banyago as busy ako. Yung time na yun. Pero hindi sa akin nang galing yung terms of reference niya. Hindi sa akin nang galing. I think the ICE natin. Pero ako nung nag-regional director ako ng 48, doon namin siya pinalis na gusto. So going back to that, there is a loss of about 1 billion to about 1.2 ang ano ko. Pero ang time ko kasi as controller, that's about 500 million. Kasi hindi naman natin sinecure dahil sinasabi naman ng modernization law na ang source ay ang fire good freeze. Pero ginawa ko pala. Di ba? Ganon ang magiging mangyari yan. We want our agency to modernize, but we never had done anything on how we could produce that fund for modernization. The ball is on us. Nasa atin ang bola kung paano natin talaga ma-implement kung ano man ang pinasa ng ating Senado at Kongreso. We were once, the eyes of our lawmakers once focused on us. Naging ano tayo, nung time na pinasa natin, nagdepensa tayo sa pagpasa ng modernization. Kasi ilang ahensya ang gusto mag-modernize? Philippine Coast Guard. Philippine National Police, wala pang modernization law. AFP, earmarking, hindi lo yun. Earmarking of a modernization for AFP. And it is not a law. Pero sa atin, it's a law. Kumbaga, sinuportahan nila yung batas para sa modernization natin. During the time of our hearing, nung nag-hearing kami, I suppose that we could have siguro a 1 week of presentation to the committee, to the plenary. Sa plenary lang kami nun sa committee, ano lang yun plenary. Pero it takes us about 3 weeks because everyone wants to ask questions. Everyone wants to have a, may share sila, yung mga senators natin, may share sila about Bureau of Fire Protection. Because they do believe, mga legislators o politiko to on ground, nakikita nila tayo. They acknowledge the fact that we are the first one to be at the scene during disasters. They acknowledge that we have these capacities. We have these nurses. We have these capacitated emergency responders. Kasi may mga ano yan sa ground mga political connection sa ground. Kung hindi natin ito ikumpanya, kung ang susunod sa akin ay hindi niya i-foster, hindi niya i-push, hindi niya pausbungin kung ano man yung pwedeng gawin, then modernization is just a dream. Kaya nga, itong FSIS would be our answer to a secured collection. Diba? Mantakin mo kung kinokolekta ng LGU at saka sa isang taon pa lang nadadalhin doon sa coffers natin. What would happen to our money? What would happen to our earmarking in the budget? Kaya very, kahit man nakikipag-away ako sa mga other agencies na gusto nila tayong identifies natin yung LGU, in my time, it will not happen. Because I will be suing those people. Kaya nga, every time na mayroong issues crop up, ako dapat ang sasagot. Diba? Kasi ako ang boss nyo eh. Diba? Kayo eh, you have other bosses there. You have the local government unit who helps you attaining our mandate. And supposedly, you cannot do. Kumbaga na political, ano yan? Political seat. Ganun yan. So, it's my office that will do yung opisina ko. And we are preparing for you. We are prepared for yung office ko. Tamang-tama yung panahon. Meron tayong batas. Diba? Meron tayong system. At meron tayong political will na implement. Yan ang. Kasi kung wala kang political will na implement, na i-secure, hindi talaga mangyayari. Hindi mangyayari. So, kaya nga very, ako, kung doon sa mga implementation ng FSIS, doon sa rescinding ng contract ng LGU, at saka doon sa non-implementation, because these are all the factors para ma-attain natin yung modernization. So sana, kasi kayo ang partner natin dyan sa baba, municipal fire marshals, the provincial fire marshals. You are our workers. You are our operating units. And without you following our instructions, hindi natin ma-attain. Ang collection natin is 4.5 last year. We are aiming for 4.7 this year. And next year, siguro, we could have achieved the 5 billion benchmark. And in the succeeding year, siguro, we could collect, kung fully implemented na ito, we could collect about 7 billion collection of arbiters. Di ba? Hindi ba parang inspirasyon yan ng mga susunod sa amin? Kasi aalis na kami. After a 1.5 year, we'll be retiring. Diba? And the beneficiaries of this will be your younger generations. We have not seen, hindi tayo nakaupo. Hindi natin inupuan. Because in-implement natin. Ginawa natin ng strategies, paraan, para ito ay makita. So, yun lang naman ang gusto ko iparating sa inyo. Dahil yan talaga yung gusto ko program. Bagamat konting panahon yung maiambag natin dyan, dyan naman nagmumula. Diba? Dyan naman nagmumula. Dyan naman nagtutumpisa yung gusto natin maakit ng modern fire service. So, magtulungan tayo dito. Diba? Basahin nyo yung policy, kasi yung policy meron na ikibat na na punishment. Diba? After yung consultation sana natin, wala nang, may transition na kayo. Yung mga may MOA. At kung may transition na kayo, during transition, yan ang susunod kong titignan. Kasi napagbigyan na natin sila eh. Nabigyan na natin sila ng panahon ng transition period. Wala nang extension kasi kung mag-extension ka, kakasuhan na kita ng subordination. Wala nang another MOA. Nag-uusap na tayo. Hindi tayo baliw dito na mag-uusap ng isang bagay na hindi natin tuparin. Diba? Kailangan natin tuparin kung ano pang napag-usapan. Kaya huwag mong pilitin na mag-i-issue na naman kami, usap na tayo. Ano pa ba pag-usapan natin? Tapos na. Implement na namin ito kasi ito na nga. Ganun dapat ang tingin natin. Sa mga local government unit na molekta na walang agreement, kakasuhan natin sila. Kakasuhan natin sila ng usurpation ng ating authority. Kakasuhan natin sila ng malversation. Kaya lahat ako magsasabi kasi gagawin ko yan. vocal ako kung sasabi. Kasi gagawin ko talaga sa mga LGU. Nananapos na natin na pag-usapan lahat. Ngayon, gagawin na namin kung gusto ko na. Pera namin. Eh, yan ang gusto kong iparating kayo. Gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng interface. Diba? Gano'n yan. Eh, wala nang agreement sa susunod na transition. At kung mamulekta ka na wala nang agreement, kakasuhan kita. Doon na lang tayo sa pagtimagpag. Dami natin ang gato. Pag 104 na yata sila. Oh. I only need 5 brilliant lawyers. So dapat wala nang LGU na mamulekta. Wala nang MOA na mangyayari. Yeah. Test natin. Testingin natin. Tignan natin yung ano. Huwag kayong magbahala ng mga city fire marshal dyan. Kami, sa nasyonal at sa sagot. Upo ka dyan. Ako ang gagalaw. Yan ang yan yung gagawin. At kami ng mga demand letters sa kanila. Sa mga local LGU na namamulekta na walang basihan. Diba? Tinutusok ka na nga sa pataran, hindi ka pa kukurap. Okay. Ang klaseng tao tayo. Diba? Dahil lang sa takot na maalis ka sa posisyon. Diba? Kaya gawin natin ngayon, kung paano natin ngayon ma-implementa yung mga programa. Diba? Paano natin ma-implementa. Yun ang gusto natin ma-achieve sa konting panahon na lang na natitira sa ating career service.